Kapamilyas all over the world, tonight is such an amazing and exciting night. Not just for me, but for everyone here para sa The Voice of the Philippines. Bakit? Kasi ito yung unang pagkakataon na magkikita-kita yung mga coaches ever. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
What you doing?
It's what you do. What you doing?
Tulad nyo, marami rin akong katanungan eh. Like, may game plan na ba sila? Competitive na nga ba sila sa isa't isa? May individual plans na ba sila? Well, nandito ako to find out.
Did you tell them what you promised?
What did I promise you?
The first time I met with him, he told me, I'll make it awesome.
Yeah, be awesome.
That's why he's Mr. Awesome.
That's right, that's right.
I expect that bamboo.
That's right. 100% me. That's all you're gonna get. 100% me. Unfiltered,
What did I
unfiltered.
promise?
Right.
I don't think I promised anything.
Ang coaches mukhang na-enjoy ang company ng isa't isa. When I got a chance, kinonsulta ko ang mga coaches sa isang bagay na matagal nang bumabagabag sa aking isipan. Bakit nga ba ang taba ng baboy ay nasa dulo ng barbecue? Sarah, Bamboo, Leia, and Apple, bakit ba ang taba ng baboy ay nasa dulo ng barbecue stick? Diba?
Di ba lagi yun ang pinaka-ano eh, pinaka-ilang, yung sa pinaka-
Meron.
Sarah G, bakit?
Kasi yun ang the best part.
Save the best for last.
Save the best for last.
How about you, Apple? What's your answer?
Yun ang pinakamalambot na karne.
Sige, we'll go with that. Whatever that is. Ganun na
Ang
lang.
pinakamalambot na karne daw.
Yes,
ay nasa baba.
Pag-isipan po natin yun.
The best siya pagka-post ka na noon, sunod-sunod ng konti.
Bakit kaya?
Bakit diba? Wali, iwanan muna namin kayo. Hindi nakatanungan. Habang pumapagapag ang katanungan na yan. Well, dinner is officially over. Halos lahat ay nasa friendly mood. Which makes me wonder, ganyan pa rin kaya sila ka-sweet and giving sa isa't isa pag sumalang na sila as coaches sa Blind Auditions? Well, that question will have to wait. Mga kapamilya, let your voice be heard. This is The Voice of the Philippines.